I'll read it without the camera. Pero tama. Explore many paths. It's not bad to go on a single path of focus, although eventually you'll have forks on the road and decide to turn left or right. Sometimes the fork leads you to another path.
Okay.
I was trained to follow a path in puta, anong word to? Path in medical field, but after graduation from pre-med, I decided to do something for myself, which is to try another path leading to the arts. For a while, it was a struggle for people around me, especially my relatives and my family, who have already accepted my supposed chosen direction. And for a while, I also questioned myself, because it was difficult to shift from a left brain to a right brain, or is it the other way around? So I tried that path and used the skills that I learned in pre-med school into the realm of arts. So for me, that adjustment wasn't really a problem. Actually, it was even a blessing that I had a pre-med course, because I was able to use it in the arts, the same principles. And then skills and tools you've developed along the way could be instruments to try out new things. This brought me to discover new ways, new trades, new businesses and endeavors. And it also led me to try to work by myself in a different way. And then work with friends, work with people, and to the point of even working with strangers. So that way, your apprehensions, your inhibitions, totally leaves you because of a chosen different path. Since, for instance, I'm recognized as a physical therapist, but now I'm an artist. No, it's completely different. So it's like tabula rasa. You can confront people again from a blank slate. I mean, your reputation does not precede you. And to test those limitations, I also went into teaching and sharing my experiences, which is again another path from the arts, which is just learning the skill. Now it's teaching the skill. And again, from this path led to other more pathways intertwining, and sometimes going back to where I started. And just to make an example, when I paint, I usually use my learnings in anatomy. When I do business, I try artistic and creative ways in marketing, in advertising, to deal with clients and colleagues. And when I teach, I try to relearn and pick up ideas, both new and old, from my students. So that way, you cross so many paths until you come up with a certain network. And this network, in a nutshell, when you explore your paths, you discover your hidden traits, your skills, and your talents that need developing and make you more productive, fulfilled. And of course, which I didn't get from med school, I got it from the arts, which is contentment. And I still have to tap my skills in farming, in cooking, and eventually have this interest in real estate. So again, that's another path that I'm going into. So exploring new paths like a light. A light bulb is a hollow object, but you have filaments inside which intertwines. So I would always, I would like to compare my direction like a light bulb. It glows, then it scatters. And that light affects people eventually in a positive way, but of course it helps you to be more relevant to others. And I would have always thought that I would have done well as a doctor, although I'm in the process of doing better for myself this way in the arts than serving others more effectively with content. So yun.
That's fine. Yeah. Oh, sunod ka!
Naka-record ba?
Yeah! Nice one! Take that.
So,
Pula.
So if there's anything I'd like to share with the group, it will be a light and scatter. Aman Santos.
Galing.
Ang puta pa rin, matakotin ako eh. Pwede bang back out na? Back out na. Hindi yun eh. Yung putang inang bakal na yan.
Takpan na lang natin eh. Takpan na lang natin. Sumatakpan natin.
Legs yan, legs.
Legs, wag, legs niya yung nakikita mo eh. Hindi ka hira. Hira. Hawakan mo.
Hindi, wag na. Pag nandiyan ka naman, hawak-hawak mo yun. Maiilang din ako.
Hindi ba sige nakita mo?
Ngayon nakakainis na ako. Nakukulit ko yung pantalon ni BJ.
Hindi, maybe kasi yung fear ko rin na-analyze ko yung fear ko eh.
Alam ko na bakit nakatakot para sa'yo. Dahil sino nakikita mo sa sarili mo sa salamin ko.
Layins, bro. Hindi, parang you're also sharing a part of yourself din kasi kaya parang alam mo yun, unlike pag nagle-lecture ka, you're just transferring ideas. Ito, it's like, tama, like exposition of your topic through your personal experience. Parang